guys, it's me, Kim Marion, here in Rhode Island. I am welcoming you to my new 4-part series. It is a coastal cottage reboot. You get to watch this adorable house from its beginning all through renovation until the day I put it on the market, and the location is top secret. But come on in, check it out. All of the details that you put in this house are amazing.
Thank you.
You bought this house for you to live in, right? This wasn't an investment.
No, exactly. This, from the moment we walked in, we knew this was our place. This was our home, and we just wanted to make it that special little place. So you can see there's a lot of thought that went into some of the details and the design, and there's a lot of back and forth, but we finally decided to settle on some of the tile that you see here. We decided to tile all the way up to the ceiling to really make that such a focal point. And then really just mixed metals too. We have the chrome faucet here with the brass up there. And I feel like if you have a shiny surface on one, to go matte with the next, so it all becomes cohesive and it blends in.
So this definitely was not a flip purchase for you and Eric.
This was not a flip, no. We designed every single detail with care, with precision, with love, with character, and this was home. And we hope that to the next buyer that comes along appreciates everything that we put into this, all of the love and the character, and just enjoys it as much as we did.
Thanks for hanging out with me today, guys. Make sure you hit follow my Coastal Cottage Reboot. You will not want to miss the next episode. Bye.